Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Kami, which is a PDF and document annotation app that we've just integrated into Canvas. And it allows your students to interact with an assignment as a digital pen and paper, and they can send it back to you in Canvas or in Google Classroom. But I'm going to show you how to use it in Canvas. So you want to open up your Canvas account. And then click on Dashboard and then choose one of your courses. So I'm going to choose this one of mine. Next thing you want to do is go to Assignments and then Add an Assignment. You're going to give the assignment a name. Once you give the assignment a name, you're going to add any information you want as far as points, assignment group, how you're going to display the grade. And then down here, where it says External Tool, you're going to hit Find. It's going to bring up this Configure External Tool menu, and you want to go down until you find Kami right here. So from here, it may ask you to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. And so you'll want to mark yes all those approval settings. And then you're going to find an assignment. So, and it can be a PDF or a document. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to choose a PDF that I previously made. Say I want to use this one, a Cell Web Quest. I'm going to select it. And it's going to upload that file. You're going to make sure this is highlighted again and hit select. Now you have an option here to load the assignment in a new tab. If you don't check it, it's going to load it within the Canvas window. Assign a due date and available due date, and if you want it available from a certain time period, hit save and publish. Now what you're going to see, and this is what the students are going to see, they're going to, when they go to this assignment, they're going to see the assignment in their window. Now the first time a student opens this up, they may ask them to sign into their Gmail account. So they may have to do that. Once they do, you've got all these annotation tools that they can use. So if you choose the text box tool, you can click on anywhere on the worksheet and you can start answering questions. Anyway, you can go through and they can answer questions. Okay, now as a student, they can save this to their Google Drive. They can export it, they can download it to their computer, or they can just hit save now. That saves it. So now we switched over to the student side, and you can see I've logged in before. The student may need to give permission for their Google Drive to access the document, but once they're in, they now can hit the text box button over here and they can answer questions. Just click anywhere and answer the questions. They can have scroll, they can also highlight if they want to, they can erase, they can add shapes. To draw a picture, lines, change the color, make it transparent, do lots of other things. They can't, with the free version, you don't have access to insert images, unfortunately, but you can do a lot of the other things on here. Now once they're done, answering all the questions on the assignment. Up here you see this submit button. So once they hit submit, it'll have the submit button again. But the student can also save the assignment to their drive, or they can print it, or they can download it. So we hit the submit button, it saves to their drive, we hit submit, and they've just turned the assignment in. Once that's done, if they want to make any more changes to this, it's not going to allow them unless they hit the unsubmit button. So now we're going to leave the student view, and we'll go back to the teacher view. And what pops up when you're in the assignment view on the teacher side, you see the assignment, and we'll go to SpeedGrader. We'll open up SpeedGrader, and it will show what the student has put into the assignment, all of their answers. And then you've got the same tools again as the teacher. You can go to the drawing tool, and you can mark things right or wrong, circle things. You can add a text box and make comments. You didn't finish the worksheet. I'm going to make this a red color so that they can see it. I can add comments here. I can also give them a score like NI not finished, or maybe I'll just give them a 3. I can hit submit, and that assignment's graded. Now I can go back to the students. The student logs into Canvas on their end, and they go to that assignment. It's going to show what they got on the assignment in their Canvas, not from here, but let me go back to assignments. But it shows, oh, I got a 3 out of a 10 on that assignment. So that's how you use Kami for Canvas. If you have any questions, just email me or call me, and I'll be more than happy to help you get it set up and help you get it going for your students. Thanks.